With a dead battery, the key fob won't work since it requires power to communicate with the vehicle. You'll need to use the hidden mechanical key instead. Locate the key slot by prying or sliding the plastic cover on the driver's side door handle. Insert the key into the slot and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. Once inside, find the hood release lever, typically near the driver's left footwell. Pull the lever to pop the hood and access the battery. For jump starting, connect jumper cables in this order. Positive, red, clamp to the positive terminal of the Escalade's battery, then the other positive clamp to the donor vehicle's positive terminal. Connect the negative black clamp to the donor vehicle's negative terminal, and finally the other negative clamp to a metal part of the Escalade's engine block, away from the battery. Start the donor vehicle first, let it run for a few minutes, then try starting the Escalade. After a successful jump start, consider using a battery charger, 10 to 20 amps, for 4 to 6 hours to fully recharge the battery, reaching a voltage of 12.6 volts or higher. Always wear safety glasses and gloves and avoid any sparks. If the battery is swollen or leaking, don't attempt to jump start. Replace it immediately.